Welcome to Ideal Travel Dreams, the channel to best organize your next adventure as a traveler and not as a tourist. In this video, we will tell you about the best adventures you can have on the island of Corfu. Welcome to Corfu, one of the most breathtaking islands in Greece. Known for its lush landscapes, rich history, and stunning coastline, Corfu is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. In this video, we will take you on a journey to discover the best and most incredible adventures in Corfu. There are so many things to do in Corfu that we will divide them into 2 videos to tell you about them all. We have selected the best activities, always keeping in mind the best value for money. In the description, you will find all the links to the activities selected by us. So sit back, relax, and explore these wonderful coastal wonders. Number 21. Vertical Corfu. Discover the island from an unseen perspective with beginner climbing. Leave the beaten paths and experience Corfu from a unique and adrenaline-filled perspective. Rock climbing, an unexpected activity for many visitors, offers you the opportunity to admire breathtaking views of the Ionian coast and the Diapondi Islands, giving you an unforgettable experience. Number 22. Capture the soul of the old town with an exclusive photography workshop. Immerse yourself in the hidden beauty of Corfu's old town with a 2-hour photography workshop. A unique experience to explore secret alleyways, admire breathtaking panoramas, and capture the essence of this UNESCO World Heritage City. Number 23. Private yacht cruise for an unforgettable marine adventure. Discover the beauty of Corfu from a unique and privileged perspective with a private sailing yacht cruise. Sail along the coast, admire breathtaking panoramas, and experience an unforgettable time with your family or friends. Number 24. Traditional dinner with panoramic views and family atmosphere. Immerse yourself in the true essence of Corfu with a traditional dinner prepared by Vasilis, a professional chef in his welcoming country home. Situated on a hilltop, the house offers breathtaking views of the lake, Corfu town, Mouse Island, the mountains, and the sea. Number 25. Luxury private catamaran cruise for an unforgettable marine adventure. Discover the magic of Corfu's northeastern coast with a full-day private cruise aboard a luxurious catamaran. Sail through picturesque bays and secluded beaches, dive into turquoise waters, and experience an unforgettable time with your loved ones. Number 26. Indelible memories with a private photo shoot in the heart of the old town. Immortalize the beauty of Corfu with a professional photo shoot, an exclusive experience to create lasting memories of your vacation. Stroll through the picturesque alleyways of the old town. Let yourself be guided by an expert photographer and capture unique moments in postcard-perfect settings. Number 27. Corfu by Vespa. Explore Paleokastritsa with style and freedom. Forget car rentals and public transport. Experience an unforgettable adventure in Corfu with a Vespa tour discovering Paleokastritsa. Feel the breeze on your skin, admire breathtaking panoramas, and immerse yourself in the authentic atmosphere of traditional villages, guided by a local expert. Number 28. An underwater adventure at the Aquarium with exclusive guided tour. Immerse yourself in the magical marine world of the Corfu Aquarium with a pre-booked ticket and an exclusive guided tour. Discover the rich biodiversity of the Ionian Sea, admire colorful fish, fascinating amphibians, and reptiles up close, and be enchanted by the beauty of the marine habitats. Number 29. Corfu by bike. An adventure through history, flavors, and hidden alleyways. Discover the authentic soul of Corfu with a bike tour that will lead you to discover the old town and its hidden treasures. Pedal through picturesque alleyways, admire historical monuments, and savor local flavors, experiencing an unforgettable adventure. Number 30. Luxury Candle Workshop. Take home a unique and personal souvenir of your Corfu vacation. A scented candle created with your own hands. Participate in an exclusive workshop in the picturesque village of Canakares and immerse yourself in the art of luxury candle making using natural materials and fragrances inspired by Mediterranean nature. In the link in the description, you will find all the information to easily book all these adventures and at the best price. Number 31. A journey through time with the Casa Parlante Historical Museum Tour. Immerse yourself in the aristocratic atmosphere of 19th century Corfu with a visit to the Casa Parlante Historical Museum. Book your ticket in advance and ensure priority access to the museum. choosing your preferred time. Enjoy an engaging and interactive experience, discovering the history of the villa through animated stories, antiques, and evocative atmospheres. Number 32. Dream Cruise to the Blue Lagoon and Syvota, an oasis of relaxation and beauty. Let yourself be enchanted by the magic of the Ionian Sea with a day cruise to discover the Blue Lagoon and the picturesque village of Syvota. Immerse yourself in crystal clear waters, admire breathtaking landscapes, and experience an unforgettable time, full of relaxation and discovery. Number 33. Investigate like Sherlock Holmes with a self-guided city game tour. Transform your visit to Corfu into an interactive and engaging adventure with the Sherlock Holmes city game. Explore the city at your own pace, solving puzzles and following clues to unravel a mysterious murder. A unique and fun experience, ideal for families, friends, and groups of all ages. Number 34. Corfu. Adrenaline thrills with tubing, twister, and jet skiing at Sidari Watersports. Experience an unforgettable time in Corfu, full of adrenaline and fun, with the water activities at Sidari Watersports. Choose between tubing, twister, and jet skiing, and get ready to experience unique thrills, speeding across the crystal clear waters of the Ionian Sea. Number 35. Corfu at the summit. Panoramic adventure on Mount Pantokrator. Discover the most authentic and wild Corfu with an excursion to Mount Pantokrator, the island's highest peak. Admire breathtaking views of the coast, Albania, and the surrounding islands, immersing yourself in unspoiled nature and the sense of the Mediterranean scrub. Number 36. Secret Corfu, a self-guided exploratory adventure in the heart of the Old Town. Transform your visit to Corfu into an interactive and engaging experience with the Secrets of Corfu Scavenger Hunt game. Explore the hidden treasures of the Old Town at your own pace, solving puzzles, completing photo challenges, and discovering unexpected secrets. A fun and stimulating adventure, ideal for solo explorers, families, friends, and groups of all ages. Number 37. Corfu Golf Experience. A day of relaxation and sport in the heart of nature. Treat yourself to an unforgettable day at the Corfu Golf Club, an oasis of peace and tranquility nestled in the Corfu countryside. Enjoy a complete golfing experience surrounded by an enchanting landscape with 5 lakes and lush vegetation. Number 38. A journey through history with a private tour at the Archaeological Museum. Immerse yourself in the millennia-old history of Corfu with an exclusive private tour at the Archaeological Museum. Discover precious artifacts from the earliest prehistoric settlements to late antiquity, and be captivated by the majesty of the Temple of Artemis's pediment, a symbol of a glorious era. Number 39. Pilates and meditation, a unique desert experience. Treat yourself to an unforgettable experience in Corfu, combining adventure, wellness, and relaxation in an extraordinary natural setting. Participate in a Pilates and meditation safari in one of the world's most unique mini deserts, an oasis of peace and tranquility where you can rejuvenate your body and mind. Number 40. Corfu Aqualand, an oasis of water, fun for the whole family. Get ready to experience an unforgettable day of thrills and fun at Aqualand Corfu, one of Europe's most spectacular water parks. Nestled in lush greenery, Aqualand offers a unique experience for young and old alike, with breathtaking slides, wave pools, and attractions for all tastes. Don't forget to watch the video. What are the 40 most beautiful adventures in Corfu? Volume 1 and the 10 most beautiful beaches in Corfu? You can find the links in description. From secluded coves to vibrant shores, Corfu offers a beach experience for everyone. Whether you are an adventurer, nature lover, or simply looking to relax, this island is a true paradise. Have you visited any of these beautiful beaches or planned any great adventures in Corfu? Let us know in the comments below. To better organize your next adventure, you can find all the necessary information in the description, not only for excursions, but also for car and motorbike rentals, accommodation, ferries, restaurants, flights, and much more. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration, and share it with your friends. For you, it's a small gesture that costs nothing, but for us, it's very important to grow this channel and create more and more useful content for the travel community. Thanks for watching and see you on the next adventure.